I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Roblox on Replit. It's important to understand that Replit is an online integrated development environment, primarily designed for writing, running, and deploying code. Roblox, on the other hand, is a robust gaming platform that requires its own dedicated application to run. Therefore, directly playing Roblox games within the Replit environment is not a feasible option due to fundamental architectural differences between the two platforms. Replit is an incredibly powerful tool for developers, offering a collaborative space to build and deploy applications across numerous programming languages. You can host web servers, run bots, and even create command line interfaces. However, its core functionality is centered around code execution and project hosting, not on emulating or streaming complex graphical applications like the Roblox game client. This distinction is key to understanding its limitations for direct gameplay. While you cannot play Roblox directly, Replit can be a valuable asset for Roblox developers. You can use it to write and test Lua scripts that you'll later integrate into Roblox Studio. Furthermore, Replit is excellent for hosting web servers or bots that interact with Roblox's various APIs, perhaps for game analytics or community management. This allows you to leverage Replit's powerful development environment for your Roblox projects. To effectively create Roblox experiences, always use Roblox Studio as your primary development environment. Replit serves best as a complementary tool for tasks like writing external scripts, managing data, or building web-based utilities that enhance your Roblox projects. By understanding each platform's strengths, you can optimize your workflow and achieve your development goals efficiently. Remember, Replit is for coding, and Roblox Studio is for game creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.